University reservations for the fall 2020 semester. All available rooms will have capacity reduced by 70 to 75% with the 50-person limit for all indoor gatherings. But the capacity limit may be reduced based on the current Crosse County COVID-19 risk level. Indoor gatherings include large spaces such as the Union Theater and Bluffs, Cleary Great Hall, Centennial Hall of Nations, Graff Main Hall Auditorium, and Room 150 in Murphy Library. For example, the Union Theater has a standard capacity of 200, and with the reduction in limit, currently has a capacity of 50. Meeting rooms that typically hold 12 to 14 people will accommodate 4 to 5 people. Face coverings are to be utilized by all attendees, and current COVID-19 guidelines for social distancing must be followed. No self-catering or carry-in food is allowed until further notice. For more information and updates about the University Reservations COVID-19 procedural changes, virtual meeting options, and how to make reservation requests, visit our website at uwlax.edu/reservations.